Day 2 on the Isle of Wight, down on Shanklin Beach again. Only difference is today we've got our own little umbrella. And we've kind of got this, hang on, let me just pan this round so you can see. We've got this nice sandy beach. Mummy's chilling, Ollie's building sandcastles. As I say, we've got a nice umbrella. It's beautiful, we're so close to the sea.
So we've got 2 sunbeds, a table and a parasol for £10 all day.
It's not bad, is it?
Not bad at all.
And the beach hut's there with ice cold drinks. The car park's just the other side. I mean,
We've got all day parking as well.
we're here for, we've got a 24-hour parking for 10 quid. You alright, Ollie? You're fine? Oh, that's nice. Nice water, isn't it? Are you collecting some water, Ollie?
I am for Mummy and Pete.
You're collecting water for Mummy and Pete, are you?
Collect some.
You're pouring it on my... Big splash. Where's Mummy? She's up there somewhere. Big splash. Are we having a nice time?
Yeah, Pete.
Are we in the sea?
I think we are.
We're in the sea. Ollie's got some water, haven't you?
I have. And I don't take some.
So we've just been to Spoons in Newport and we're back in Shanklin now and we're going to go and have a go at this crazy golf, aren't we?
We are, there's 2. There's a pirate and a Jurrasic
one. It's
So we're going to try with Ollie.
It's basically the same as the one in Maga, but it's obviously in the Isle of Wight, so it's going to be cool though. Are we going to do some golf?
Are we playing golf?
Oh, sweet.
Are we playing golf?
Well, we're off to play crazy golf in a minute, but before we do, we found an arcade. Wouldn't be a holiday without 2p machines, would it?
No, it wouldn't.
Go on, Ollie, see what you can win, mate.
I can get.
See what you can win. What are you going for? You're going for a little duck.
Look, that's it.
A little duck. What did we just win you? With a teddy
Oh, nice teddy.
out of this machine which was broken and kept giving us free goes. Free goes equals free teddy. Ollie's in a little balloon. You're right in the balloon, Ollie.
That's it. Are you enjoying it? Yeah. Ollie. 2, 3.
We were offered the chance to do this dinosaur course, which is massive, and also that one. 2 courses like in Magaluf, but we're not doing 2 because we're never going to get through it with Ollie. Can you get it in 4? 5. Ollie did it in 4. Alright, I thought it was going to take a long time with Ollie. Maybe I was wrong. How many was that?
3. Right, go on then, the pros up. Oh, you didn't get a hole in one? Yeah. Oh, you stroking the dinosaur? It's not that easy, is it, babe?
Go on, babe.
Hey. Hey.
Oh, not again. That's a bit hard. Oh. She just got a hole in one. If she gets 2, she's only gonna got 2.
Go on, baby.
Goodbye. Way over there. I'll follow you.
Oh, so close. Yeah. Right, Pete's go. 2, 3. Other side, darling.
Okay, try again.
Hang on.
Oh no!
So that's 4. 4. No, I got it in. I got it in. Ollie, out the way, darling.
Yay! Okay. I'll stand on the rock.
Ollie, come this way. Oh no, you went down the bottom.
Whenever we're coming back to do the pirate one, yeah?
Yes, definitely.
Definitely. Right, the scores are in from our Jurrasic Crazy Golf, and these are the scores. Player 1 was Ollie, player 2 was my lovely Maria, and player 3 was me. As we scroll down,
Pete won.
I came first, Maria second, Ollie third.
But Ollie gave it a good try.
He was brilliant. That's his first ever go at Crazy Golf, and he did well, didn't he?
Thank you.
You did good, Ollie.
Yeah, I did.
Well done, mate.
Oh,
Oh wow, look, that's bright.
Oh wow, look.
Flashing colour. It draws them in, doesn't it? Go on, Ollie. See if you can win one.
I only got
Ready? Is he gonna do it?
Oh, is he? Look. Whoa. Okay.
Nearly. Good try. Right, we're just heading back to the car now and then going back to the hotel. We've had a lovely evening, haven't we?
We had. It's been really.
It's been a really good day. Beach today.
Oh, and Ollie wants to show.
And
What
I
did
got
you get?
new prizes.
You
Oh,
won
you got
prizes, didn't
I
you?
did.
In the arcade.
Yeah.
So we went to the arcade twice. We went in first time before Crazy Golf, and then we played Crazy Golf, and then we came back out and then went in the arcade again, didn't we? Just
We did.
for a bit of fun. So it was really good. We had a good time, and
Ollie seems to enjoy it.
yeah, got to be honest, this is like being abroad, isn't it? We said that
It
last
is.
time we came here, but Shanklin is like, I mean, look at it. It's like, do you remember? Well, you haven't been to Maga, but
No, but I've been to
anyone watching who's been to Maga or seen the Maga vlogs will know exactly. It's just crazy. It's lovely. Look at the beach. I know it's.
And last week, and
I know the tide's in, but it's just beautiful. And there's the moon.
last week, we were
It's so nice. I love the Isle of Wight, mate.
today
No, tonight.
Where did we go?
to the golf dinosaurs.
And you had lots of fun, didn't you?
Yeah, and I hurt my arm.
Oh
did
no,
have
look,
one.
let's see the war wound. Let's see it. Oh,
Oh, dear.
no.
We're
You
past
fell over,
this.
didn't you? But you're very brave.
Yeah.
You're a big brave boy.
Yeah.
Well done.
Sorry, Mummy.
It's okay, darling.
It's all right.
I won't do that next time.
Okay.
No.
You did well. You were brave, weren't
All
you?
right, darling.
Matt Cox would have loved that van. It's peaceful, isn't it? Sound of the sea. Over there is Sandown. Zoom in on the pier.
So nice.
Everybody's going to go to bed and have a snooze.
You're going to have a snooze. We are going back now. It's late, isn't it? We're going to go back in the car. Look how shiny our car's looking. It's really
Looking
clean.
lovely.
And